Ever wondered how those sleek, user-friendly investment apps actually keep the lights on? You know, the ones that promise to automate your investments and take the stress out of building wealth? Today, we're diving deep into one of the popular players in this space, StashAway. Specifically, we're asking the question, how does StashAway actually make money? It's a question many of us have, right? We see the clean interface, the diversified portfolios, and the promise of long-term growth. But behind the scenes, there's a business model at work, and understanding it can help you make more informed decisions about your own investments. Let's break it down. StashAway, at its core, is a digital wealth management platform, or a robo-advisor. They use algorithms and technology to manage your investments, rather than relying on traditional human financial advisors. This allows them to offer their services at a lower cost, which is a major draw for many users. But how do they generate revenue? The primary way StashAway makes money is through management fees. This is a percentage of the total assets you have invested with them. Think of it as a service charge for managing your portfolio. The fee structure is typically tiered, meaning the percentage you pay might decrease as your invested amount increases. This is a common practice in the investment world, rewarding customers who invest more. Now, it's important to understand what these management fees cover. They're not just for the algorithm, they encompass a range of services. This includes portfolio construction, rebalancing, monitoring, and customer support. Essentially, you're paying for the convenience and expertise of having your investments managed professionally, albeit by a machine. Another key aspect to consider is that StashAway doesn't charge any transaction fees, sales fees, or withdrawal fees. This is a significant difference from traditional investment platforms that might nickel and dime you with various charges. By simplifying their fee structure, StashAway aims to be more transparent and accessible. But it's not just the management fees. StashAway also benefits from the scale of its operations. As they attract more users and manage more assets, their overall revenue increases. This allows them to invest in further development, improve their platform, and potentially offer new features. Furthermore, StashAway partners with various financial institutions and providers. These partnerships can generate revenue through referral fees or other collaborative arrangements. However, the core of their business model remains the management fees, ensuring alignment with their customers' long-term success. It's worth noting that the success of StashAway's business model is directly tied to the performance of their portfolios. If their algorithms consistently generate positive returns, they'll attract and retain more customers, leading to higher revenue. Conversely, if their performance falters, they risk losing customers and revenue. In essence, StashAway's business model is built on providing a cost-effective and efficient way for individuals to invest their money. By focusing on management fees and eliminating other hidden charges, they've created a transparent and user-friendly platform. Understanding how StashAway makes money is crucial for any investor considering using their services. It allows you to assess the value you're receiving for the fees you're paying and to make informed decisions about your investment strategy. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.